Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of my vintage booth reset. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the reveal, the finished product. Every year I try to do some type of big remodel, if that's moving a ton of furniture around. We took down a wall in the past. We always change the paint color every year. And this year I'm extremely excited because we decided to do the floor. The floor made such a big difference. A lot of customers are loving it. Vendors have made some comments on how great it looks. And I really think it just helps the furniture stand out more when you have a more modernized space with the flooring. I have made it a goal of mine for 2024 to just have more fun and be creative within my space, purchasing things that I love and that I know I can decorate and style to complement one another. It doesn't have to be from the same time era. There's a lot of different ways you can style different pieces to really complement one another. So I'm excited for this year. I have many ideas and visions, and I can't wait to take you guys along with me. So let's jump into the reveal, what you've all been waiting for in 3, 2, 1. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this reveal. Comment down below what you think. If you're not already subscribed, please feel free to subscribe to the channel and like this video. And yeah, I hope you tag along and join me through this journey of my vintage booth. I'm really excited to see where things go this year. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.